louder in your ear if you cup them.
When you hear me tell them at the ready, the next order is going to be playing. So. At the ready, good. Fire.
And that's just the beginning, guys.
I was holding him there, but I was like...
This one's the quiet one. The next one has a real good one.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
But I'm going to have you... Yeah, that's the quiet one. I'll have you step.
Yeah.
Any kids that want to watch it, you need to come straight up here. Nope, you can't go past me. You cannot go past this way past me. You can be over here. You can be up front.
Go over there. Nice.
Don't watch the already ring.
Veda, cover your ears. Plug your ears. Put your fingers in your ears, kids. It is loud. Well, give me 2 seconds, guys. All little kids, if you want to see this, I want you right over there. Right over there with the rest of the kids. When he says after ready, you plug your ears with your fingers, okay?
Balls are on you.
Ready? At the ready? Fire.
Oh, good. That's just a thump.
Just wait.
She said this is the little one. The big one. Little smoke.
Walk over here. It's actually a black powder. You cannot go past it.
Over here.
Well, we can't do that.
Oh, boy.
You can step in front of me, but you can't go past me. I'm the fence, and I'm a very loud fence. Because we've had people climb over them.
They're not going to climb over you, are they?
The bigger cannon.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to warn you. This one's got a lot of bark. That was quiet.
That's just a little baby.
I need everybody over here. The young ones can come down here and look. But you cannot go past me. You cover your ears.
Oh, yeah. Jumbo. Jumbo.
Over here. Come here. Follow me, I'll direct you. Right there. It's going to be real loud, so you want to put your fingers in your ears, okay? But I need you over that way just a little more. Okay?
Your fingers in your ears.
They're fine. Okay. When he says at the ready, plug your ears.
Put a cannonball in there, huh?
Apparently we forgot our...
Put all the forks and spoons and knives in there and just let her fly.
Hey, they did that during the Civil War.
I know they did. Anything they could find to throw in the barrel.
Yep. Dirt, rock.
Pretty good anti-personnel, I would think.
And there's our cannonball for this.
People ever seen a cannonball before?
Yeah.
Logan.
Okay, at the ready, guys.
At the ready?
Whoa. Just a rumble.
Where did the ball go?
All right, Dalton. What do you think of that?
When they pull the string, what is it, a flint or something that sparks?
We have a little,
Or percussion cap?
yeah, it's a...
Sparks.
We used to.
Is that how they did it?
Oh, yes.
That were lit, or was it?
Yeah, it was fuses. And the thing is with the fuses, depending on how long or short you cut it, is how much time to get away.
Yeah, right. What size diameter barrel is that?
I couldn't tell you. I think that it's like this.
You can see it after they're
And
done.
that's about an inch and a half.
Oh,
Smells like
the one?
Estes rockets.
Yeah, right. It does.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it did smell like that. Underwater.
Okay.
So you're saying it's a 308 compared to a 22 in sound, pretty much?
Probably.
At the ready.
I saw the shrapnel that time.
Sorry.
I saw the shrapnel.
Probably the wadding from the paper that they put in there or something.
It's tinfoil.
It's tinfoil. We wrap our powder in tinfoil. We pop it. We
Oh.
have poke it. Then we stick our primer in there. Fire, but we just fired an orange up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he says, did you see our cannonball?
Oh,
that was
yeah,
we
right.
actually, we put the powder, then we see the orange right behind it.
Yeah.
They're done now.
So those cannonballs, it's like, did they explode when they hit, or was it just one?